I'm Papa Joe Barfield of the San Antonio Real Estate Journal. I'm here today with Guy Stidham of Town & Country Mortgage here in San Antonio. Guy is going to talk to us about VA loans and TexVet loans and tell us some of the features and special benefits of such loans. Thank you for spending time with us today, Guy.
Thank you very much for having me, Papa Joe.
What is a VA loan?
A VA loan is a mortgage loan that is offered to persons who have served in the military or a surviving spouse of someone who served in the military and died in the line of duty. It's an excellent loan for any veteran or active duty military personnel.
Who qualifies for a VA loan?
Anybody that has served in the military for at least 180 days active duty, or a surviving spouse of an active duty military personnel who's passed away in the line of duty, or a reservist after being full-time reserves for a period of 3 years also qualifies for a VA loan.
I see. What is the cost of a VA loan, Guy?
Well, the cost of a VA loan has many different aspects to it. First of all, there is no down payment, which is the most advantageous aspect of a VA loan. The no down payment is critical and very helpful to veteran borrowers or active duty military borrowers. One of the disadvantages is that there's a VA funding fee. That's a fee that's charged by the federal government to allow a veteran to not have to put any money down. On a first-time VA home loan buyer, that's 2.2% of the loan amount. So, for instance, if you're buying a home for $100,000, your loan amount is actually going to be $102,200, and that $2,200 goes back to the federal government. If you're using your VA for the second time, it's 3.3%. So on a $100,000 loan, your new loan amount is actually $103,300. That doesn't sound like a lot of money, but I just closed a loan for a veteran borrower. He was a second-time user, and the sales price was over $300,000. So he actually was adding an additional $10,000 to his VA loan, but he still had no down payment.
So, Guy, can you just give us a summary of what the special benefits are for a VA loan?
Well, the two most glaring benefits to the borrower is the fact that there is no down payment, but that's just one half of the equation. The second half is there is no private mortgage insurance monthly charged to the veteran borrower, which is huge. Again, on a $100,000 loan, PMI for an FHA loan would be $55, and on a 5% down conventional loan, it would be $88 a month. So that's money that's not as part of the veteran borrower's monthly payment, which is absolutely critical to helping them qualify. And it's basically giving them a little bit of a gift from the federal government.
Guy, can you tell us what exactly is a TexVet loan?
A TexVet loan is a bond program offered by the state of Texas for veterans who have lived in Texas for at least 12 months or whose home of record was the state of Texas. A lot of people confuse TexVet and VA. They are mutually exclusive. They are different programs. But you had to have been a veteran to get a TexVet loan. The advantage of a TexVet loan on its face is the fact that it allows you to get a lower than market interest rate. Now, the problem is that recently the interest rates for a TexVet loan have not been that much lower or not lower at all than a standard VA loan. So if today's rate on a VA loan is 4.75%, today's rate for a TexVet loan is somewhere between 4.5 and 4.75. It is lower still. Now, where the TexVet loan becomes much more advantageous for a borrower is when your veteran borrower, somebody who's out of the military, has a disability, if he has a registered disability of 30% or more, he or she then qualifies for an additional half-point discount, bringing that rate down to from say 4 3/4 to 4 1/4, 4 1/2 to 4. That's outstanding. That's when the TexVet really comes into play. If you are a disabled veteran in the state of Texas and you're looking to buy a home, the TexVet is definitely something to look into. Now, one of the things that a lot of people don't realize, though, is that the TexVet has become much more stringent in the homes that they want to be able to participate in. And it has to be Energy Star rated if it's a new home. You must have a certificate stating that it has to be and has received its Energy Star rating on brand new construction. You can still do existing homes under the TexVet program.
So it sounds as though for certain vets, say those that are disabled, the TexVet program is very much worthwhile checking out.
That's absolutely true. If you are disabled, the TexVet program is what you want to do. If you're not, you probably are going to be better off going on a straight VA.
Thank you, Guy.
Absolutely, thank you.
I'm Papa Joe Barfield with the San Antonio Real Estate Journal. Once again, thanks to Guy Stidham of Town & Country Mortgage for spending a little time with us. Remember, I love to help folks find their dream home. Thank you and see you next time.